How to fix task queue is empty error on Outlier AI training jobs. The first thing you gotta do is of course access your preferred web browser, and for this video I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to outlier.ai, and this is gonna be your Outlier's official site homepage. So once you're here, you just gotta make sure that you're fully logged into your account. And this error specifically or usually happens when your specific data is insufficient. But if your data is complete and you think that there is no actual problems with the applications that you have from Outlier AI, then we will be doing a troubleshooting step from the browser itself. So to do troubleshooting, just go to the three dots and then go to the settings. And from here, we'll be trying to clear cache and cookies for our current data off the browser that we're using. Now head directly to privacy and security and go to delete browsing data. I just have to change the time range to all time and tick all these boxes right here. Now once everything is ticked, just go directly to delete data, and you'll have to reset your browser or refresh it or even close it and reopen it again. Once you have fully opened it, then make sure that to double check if the error is already been resolved. So that's the troubleshooting steps that you can do to fix task queue is empty error on Outlier AI training jobs.